Advantages include long-term cost savings, safety improvements, and consistency and efficiency. Disadvantages may include higher initial cost, learning curve for management and operators new to automation, and maintenance demands.
The advantages of automation are pretty simple. It can be maximized to run off shift. It can be maximized to run during downtimes. It also speeds up processes and allows for consistency. The one largest downside to industrial automation is capital upfront costs. It takes a lot for industrial automation to supplement or replace human intervention. And that's my job as the supplier and the collaborative consultant to help them understand why and where they would be able to get the improvements from the industrial automation